Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us see the Japanese multiplication for 3-digit numbers. Okay, so the given number is 115 into 111. So first let us draw the lines for 1, 1 and 5. So 1, this 1, 1 and put 5 lines next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number given is the multiplication 1 1 1. Okay, now let us put these lines 1 2 and 3. Now add these points 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and I will write here 5. Next 1 2 3 4 5 and this one 6. So the next number is 6. Now next 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So I write 7. 1 and 2. So 2. 1. So now write this 1 2 7 6 5. Isn't it easy, friends? This is the Japanese multiplication. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.